Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn the fixes of Vortex HD68 phone which won't turn on or charge. Fix 1. You need to check the charging cable and adapter. Make sure you're using the original charger or a certified alternative. Try a different USB cable and wall adapter. Plug into another wall outlet or use a PC USB port to see if there's any response. Fix 2. Clean the charging port. Use a flashlight to inspect the USB port. Gently clean it with a dry toothbrush, toothpick, or a can of compressed air. Avoid using any liquid or metal tools. Fix 3. Force restart the device. Hold down the power button and volume down button together for at least 10 to 15 seconds. If the phone vibrates or shows a logo, it's rebooting. Fix 4. Leave it plugged in for a while. Plug the phone into a wall charger and leave it for 30 to 60 minutes. Then try turning it on again using the power button. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. If you think I helped you in some way, do like, share, comment, and also to subscribe to this channel.